Now we discuss some example and illustration regarding section 71A and schedule 2 of CGST Act 2017. Now, first example is on job work. Now we know that any type of the work contract which forms part of the section 2 subsection 190 are to be treated as supply of services. Here the example is that any activity carried out on the product, whether for bringing change in the product or not, will be considered as processing of the product. Any activity carried out on the product, whether for bringing change in the product or not, will be considered as processing of the product. Now here we know that as per section 7 subsection 1A, treatment of process, that means treatment of process which is applied to another person's goods, is to be treated as supply of services. And here the work contract as defined in section 2 subsection 119 is also treated as supply of services. So here the job work performed by the job worker, like clearing, painting, etc., and job work performed by the job worker, like converting raw material into finished product. So these are to be treated as job work. Now example 2 is that Mr. A trader of steel article, purchased steel bar of 10 meters for rupees 1 lakh. He give this steel bar to Mr. B, job worker, for cutting the bar. Now this is to be taken as the activity performed under job work. The activity, the service is provided here, it is to be treated as supply of services. Here provider of the service is Mr. B, that is the job worker, and recipient of service is Mr. A, that is the supplier of the steel bar. Now Mr. B Mr. B charged rupees 20,000 as job work charges. So Mr. B seeks clarification whether it will be liable to pay GST on cut bars. If so, find the value. Now here we know that the job work, activity of job work, is to be taken as supply of services. Since Mr. B performing the job work on behalf of Mr. A, here the provider of service is Mr. B and recipient of service is Mr. A. Here on the basis of providing of the services, Mr. B charge rupees 20,000, and here this amount is to be taken as the consideration that is charged against providing of the services. So here GST is to be payable by Mr. B, that is the provider of services, on the amount of the consideration on rupees 20,000. Now here answer is that Mr. B, being a job worker, is liable to pay GST. The value of job work charge is rupees 20,000. It is called as supply of services. Next example is that Kronbeers Private Limited, suppliers of the raw material to a job workers, Carina Limited, for manufacture of the alcoholic liquor for the human consumption. After completing the job work, the finished product of 5,000 beer bottles are returned to Kronbeers Indian Private Limited, putting retail sale price as rupees 200 on each bottle, inclusive of duties and taxes. Carina Limited charged rupees 100 per bottle as job work charges for carrying out of the intermediate production process of alcoholic liquor for the human consumption from the Kronbeer Indian Private Limited. Find the GST liability if rate is 18%, CGST is 9%, SGST is 9%, any in the hands of Carina Limited. Now here Kronbeer Private Limited supplying raw material to the job worker Carina Limited, and Carina Limited manufacture the alcoholic liquor for the human consumption. Here Karina Limited act as a job worker, and here Karina Limited providing service of the job worker to the Kronbier Indian Private Limited. So here provider of the services is Karina Limited and recipient of the services is Kronbier Indian Private Limited. Now here, since the manufacturing of the alcoholic liquor is made, processing or manufacturing of the alcoholic liquor are made by the Karina Limited on behalf of the Kronbier Indian Private Limited. Here Karina Limited is to be treated as job worker in this case, and any activity carrying out as job worker is to be taken as supply of services, and against these services the amount charged by Karina Limited is rupees 100 per bottle. For 5,000 bottle he will charge total amount of 5,000 into 100, that means 50,000, and this is to be taken as the consideration against the providing of the services, and on this consideration Karina Limited is liable to pay GST at the rate of 18%, which includes CGST at the rate of 9% and SGST at the rate of 9%. Now the alcoholic liquor, that is the finished product, which is taken over by the Kronbier Indian Private Limited. At the time of sale of this product, that will be taken as a sale of goods when Kronbier Limited sell this product to the customer. But alcoholic liquor for human consumption does not cover under GST Act. On alcoholic liquor for the human consumption, there will be a state tax, there will be the local tax, but no GST will be there on alcoholic liquor for the human consumption. But the services, but the job work that is done by the Karina Private Limited on behalf of the Kronbier Indian Private Limited on account of the processing of alcoholic liquor is to be taken as supply of services, and against which the amount collected by the Karina brother, amount charged by the Karina Limited from Kronbier Indian Private Limited is to be treated as consideration. So there is service provided by the Karina Limited to Kronbier Indian Private Limited, that is here Karina Limited is the provider of the services and Kronbier Indian Private Limited is the recipient of the services. Here provider of the services is Karina Limited, and for providing its services as job worker it charge rupees 100 per bottle for 5,000 bottle, and which amounts to 5,000 into 100, and on which GST is to be paid at the rate of 18%, and which includes CGST at the rate of 9% and SGST at the rate of 9%. Total GST is rupees 90,000, out of which CGST is 45,000 and SGST is of 45,000. Next example is that Mr. J, a registered person, supplied the following goods to Ms. N for further processing on the job work basis. First, number 1, serial number 1, goods A, taxable under GST. Serial 2, B, exempted void and exemption notification under CGST Act 2017. Serial number 3, goods C, non-taxable under GST. Here Mr. J, registered person, supplies the following goods to Ms. N. So Ms. N for the further processing on the job work basis. So here the job worker is Ms. N, and here principal manufacturer is Mr. J. So here the supply of services. Here job worker the work that is done by the job worker is to be taken as supply of services, and here supply of services, that means the provider of services is Ms. N and the recipient of services is Mr. J. Now here you have to require to examine whether the provision of job work will be applicable to all category of the goods. Now the goods A covered under serial number 1, this is taxable under GST. So job work provision is applicable here. That means the that means the activity of the job worker is to be treated as a supply of the services and it is taxable. Now, goods B covered under serial number 2, it is exempted via a notification under section via notification under CGST Act 2017. It is exempted product, and on exempted goods, if any processing is to be made by the job worker, then this will not to be taken as supply of services. If on the exempted product any type of the job work is performed, then that type of job work is not to be treated as supply of services, and here it will be excluded from GST. Now, good C appear under serial number 3. It is non-taxable under GST. Since it is non-taxable under GST, here also the activity of job work is not to be treated as supply of services. So here job work provision will not be applicable. Next,